Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix single player and multiplayer not working in Battlefield 6. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go ahead and close Battlefield 6 completely. Then open the app and move to the manage section. Select repair and let it scan through all your existing game files. It will fix anything that's broken so the game can launch the right away. After the repair finishes, start Battlefield 6 again. Single player and multiplayer should load normally without getting stuck. This issue usually happens around release and repair is the quickest way to fix it. If that doesn't work, the next thing you wanna check is the EA servers. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. EA servers might be under heavy load, or there could be a temporary outage or a licensing issue that stops the game from verifying your access. So make sure to check Battlefield or EA's official social media pages or their server status websites. If there's a known outage, you'll just have to wait it out. But if everything looks fine on EA's end and game still won't load, then reinstalling becomes your last resort. Uninstall Battlefield 6 completely, whether you're using the EA app or Steam, and remove any leftover Battlefield folders so nothing corrupted gets reused. Once that's done, reinstall the game fresh. Also confirm that you have enough free storage space, cause Battlefield 6 installs multiple content packs and missing space can prevent parts of the game from unpacking correctly. And yeah, that's all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.